Now that you've learned about the 4 levels of the SAMR model, let's apply that to the teaching that we've already done with our students. To start, have someone quickly label the 4 corners of your table as S, A, M, and R. This can be done with leftover sticky notes or scratch paper. Just make sure it's clearly labeled and that each corner of the table has a different letter from SAMR. Now, take the sticky notes that you created a little bit ago, the ones from your class with your classroom activities on them, and take a moment to think about the 4 levels of SAMR. Where do you think this activity or lesson falls? Is it an S, an A, an M, or an R? Write a quick note on each sticky note explaining why you think that lesson is that level of SAMR. Place the sticky notes in the appropriate corner of the table. If you think that your lesson is a substitution level, place it with the S. This is an interpersonal activity, so take a moment to silently reflect and write your why. Then, once everyone at your table has sorted their stickies, come back together as a group and discuss. Some questions you may want to consider are, why did you put that there? Do you agree with where I placed this sticky? I noticed that you put that sticky here, but I wonder if it could be on another level. I'm really struggling to place this activity. What do you think? After your table discussion, we're going to do a table walk, and we're going to visit the other tables in the room. Choose one person to stay behind as your table spokesperson and to answer questions for visitors. Everyone else, take a pad of sticky notes with you to record on. When you're visiting the other tables, do these activities. 1. Tally the number of learning activities that have been placed in each corner of the tables in the room. How many SAMR or how many substitution level activities are there? How many augmentation level activities are there? Try to count for most of the tables that you visit so we get an idea for in your room how many activities are at each level. Also, identify other people's learning activities that you would be interested in doing with your students. This is a great time to learn from others and see what happens in other people's classrooms. And then also consider what trends you see as you visit the other tables. After you have visited all the other tables, or when time is up, come back to your table for one final discussion. Let's wrap up and talk about what we saw at the other tables. What trends did you notice in the SAMR distribution? What's one learning activity that you want to try with your class? Or what's something you wonder about? This is a great opportunity for you to reflect on your learning and your activities in the classroom, but also to learn from others in your area.